Modding a Rockstar Games title like GTA and encountered RSL library files. These contain game assets that power Rockstar's titles. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing and working with these Rockstar Games library files for modding purposes. We're tackling this RSL file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. Users encounter RSL files in the installation directories of games developed by Rockstar Games, such as Grand Theft Auto and Max Payne. These are critical resource library files that contain game data, scripts, or assets. Errors related to RSL files often cause the game to crash or fail to launch. RSL files are proprietary, compiled binary containers designed for performance. By packaging essential game resources into a single library, the game engine can load data more efficiently, reducing disk I/O and improving startup times. This binary format also provides a layer of protection against casual modification of game assets. Rockstar Games endorses Rockstar Games Launcher as the main tool for handling RSL files. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows cannot preview interactive or graphical elements, so game-specific viewers are required. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the RSL file and hit Open With. Test Rockstar Games. Launcher first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. If you still cannot open your RSL file, that is okay. We've isolated the failure to one of three common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, using OpenIV. Download OpenIV from OpenIV.com. The standard tool for modding Rockstar Games titles. Install OpenIV and use it to browse RSL files within game directories. The tool provides asset extraction, modification, and repackaging capabilities, essential for creating modifications to GTA 5 and other Rockstar titles. Next, working with modding tools. Use community modding tools like Spark4, Sparkle, or Rage Plugin Hook, depending on your specific Rockstar game and modding goals. These tools provide specialized features for different asset types within RSL files, enabling texture replacement, model swapping, and script modifications across the Rockstar gaming portfolio. Finally, backing up originals. Always create complete backups of original RSL files before any modification using simple file copy operations. Store backups in a separate location for game integrity restoration if mods cause issues. This safety practice prevents needing complete game reinstallation when modifications corrupt critical game library files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.